Hello tubers, good day. Well, I just wanted to show you this Dodge. And there's a paper on the windscreen. It's a Dodge T110 and the type is WF40 and the year is 1946. It's a 6-cylinder. Well, nicely restored. Oh, no, but oh, look at that. The old meters, heat, oil, fuel and amps. Mileage, oh, not too bad. 41,207 kilometers. Top speed, 80 kilometers an hour. Oh, nicely restored. Looks great. New woodwork. This is all very clean. Oh, new woodwork. I think the old tires are still on. Let's see, good years. Yep. Well, hope you like it. See you. Bye bye.